Paano naman sir kung expired na registry of ownership? Nabili ko kasi sa tita ko, pwede pa ba i-renew? Expired yung certificate of ownership ng vessel. Ano kaya ito, bangka? Kasi expired certificate of ownership. Actually, ma'am, no? Ma'am, Sir Jerry, yung certificate of ownership, hindi naman yan nag-i-expire Walang expiration ng certificate of ownership. Yung nag-i-expire po is yung certificate of Philippine Registry. Commonly, nag-expire yon kasi meron yung validity na 5 years para sa mga dikahoy na bangka or vessel. May 5 years expiration yon. So, pwede naman yung i-renew for another 5 years. So, i-renew mo lang yun. Tsaka, since nabili mo yung vessel, i-change owner mo. Yun lang po.